Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'll be showing you how to know if someone blocked you on Twitter in today's episode. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you've been blocked on Twitter, you won't receive a notification that you have been blocked, nor there is a way to find a list of people who might have blocked you to see if someone has blocked you on Twitter. You need to go to their profile picture. Let me show you how. Simply tap Open Twitter. Tap on the search icon located at the bottom and now search for the contact you want to find out. If the person has blocked you or not, tap Open the profile of the person, and if the person has blocked you, then you'll be able to see a message saying you've been blocked. If you've been blocked, then you won't be able to see the profile of the person. If you can, then that person has not blocked you yet on Twitter. That is how you can find out if someone has blocked you on Twitter or not. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.